Leg injuries in dogs can happen from falls, accidents, or playing too hard. It is important to treat them quickly to help your dog heal and feel better. There are signs that show your dog may have a leg injury and need treatment. The first thing to do is stay calm. Dogs can sense your emotions. If you panic, your dog may also become more scared or stressed. Take a deep breath, stay gentle, and speak in a soothing voice. If you think your dog has hurt its leg, try to keep it from moving too much. Ask your dog to lie down or stay in one place. Moving around can make the injury worse. Use treats or a calm voice to keep your dog relaxed. Look closely at the injured leg. Is there any swelling, bleeding, or something stuck like a thorn? Gently feel the leg and paw to see if your dog reacts with pain. Do not force your dog to move its leg if it seems painful. If your dog's leg is bleeding, stay calm and act quickly. Gently press a clean cloth or gauze on the wound. Keep pressing until the bleeding slows or stops. If the bleeding does not stop in a few minutes, call your vet right away. Try to keep your dog calm and still during this time. To help with swelling, gently place a cold compress on your dog's injured leg. Then wrap the injured area with a towel or bandage to support it. Hold the cold compress on the sore spot for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps reduce pain and swelling. Keep your dog calm and resting during this time. Keep your dog from running, jumping, or playing while healing. Confine them to a small room or use a crate if needed. Short bathroom walks on a leash are okay, but no long walks or stairs. If your dog keeps licking or biting the hurt leg, use a dog cone to stop it. The cone keeps your dog from touching the injury and making it worse. Make sure the cone fits well, but is not too tight. Keep the cone on until the leg gets better. Keep your dog's injured leg clean and dry to help it heal. Gently clean the area with warm water if it gets dirty. Do not use soap or harsh cleaners. Make sure the leg stays dry, especially after cleaning. Wet or dirty wounds can get infected and take longer to heal. Make your dog a cozy resting space with a soft bed in a quiet area. Give lots of love and calm attention so your dog feels safe while recovering. A good diet helps your dog heal faster. Give balanced food and fresh water. You can also ask your vet about supplements for joint and bone health, especially if your dog is older. Wound Care Spray is a gentle and safe spray that helps clean and heal animal wounds and skin injuries. The Terracin Plus Wound Care Spray helps clean cuts, sores, and skin wounds quickly. It kills germs and helps wounds heal faster. It is safe to use on all animals and not sting or burn. So, by following these effective steps and using the right product, you can treat your dog's leg injury.